Hi, I'm Mark Daly, and I'm the Managing Attorney for the Community of Immigration and Naturalization Attorneys, Cina. We have a very special product for you now in the step-by-step immigration forms video tutorial. You're going to be going through this video sequence to build the forms that you need to petition for your spouse to get permanent residency in the United States. And we're very excited about this because what we believe is by going through these video tutorials step by step and line by line with us, you will prepare a petition that looks good and also contains all of the proper information. And this is very, very important because the Immigration Service, the embassies and consulates, the immigration judges, Immigration Customs Enforcement, and the Border Patrol, all of their jobs are not to let you in, but their jobs are to keep you out.
We've gone through the instructions to the form. Here is the form. It's the I-129F. Now, this is a completed form, and I've done it this way because, we've gone through now all the documents relating to the intake sheets. We have all of, the questionnaires. We have the documents with the letters from friends and family, from each other. Everything we need, birth certificates, divorce decrees, all that stuff, tax returns. So all of those documents then have names on them and information, and we've taken the information and put them into the form in this way so that if you need a tutorial again on it, you can see how we pulled the document name from a birth certificate and put it into this form. And so you'll do that obviously on your own documents, but this is modeling for you how to assemble this information given the basic documents that you have provided and that you've assembled. So we start with this 2-column I-129F. So we have here, start here, information about you, and then information about alien fiance. Great. So I'm going to expand this a little bit like this, and I'm going to bring this over so we have a nice shot at this. So family name in caps. I like to put everything in caps. Now, you can bring them in lowercase if it's not enough room. Lowercase, you can get more lowercase characters into a field than a caps. But, for copying and faxing and transmitting these forms, I like to put everything in caps.
So the goal of step-by-step immigration forms is to help you prepare cases that look good, contain good information, are well organized, and are presented properly to those agencies. Because what happens is when they see these documents come in this way, looking good, they start to respect who you are, they start to make judgments about who you are, and they like you because you're showing them the respect to do it the right way. And that is very important in this process because there are lots of opportunities for delays and there's lots of opportunities for bad judgment calls by the Immigration Service against you. And we can minimize a lot of that by putting together a product that looks really good. Now, as you're going through these forms, you might read a question that makes you feel uneasy, that makes you feel like you can't actually tell the truth on that question. We want you to pay attention to that because when you feel that, this is a red flag that you probably need to talk to an attorney about your immigration situation. These tutorials are not going to go into that kind of depth where we can advise you on what you actually need to do. So if you need advice, you're going to need to call an attorney. But other than that, we encourage you to go for it. Fill out those forms and start working on the step-by-step immigration form video tutorial.